Hello to everyone. I'm presenting you my new welding machine. It is a INGCO MMA 250 ampere inverter welding machine. It is equipped with IGBT transistors that have the duty to switch the current too fast, with the main purpose to increase the current efficiency and lowering the current consumption. Also, it comes in the industrial version, which can handle heavy-duty tasks in harsh environments. Believe me when I say this, I have had previous good experiences with INGCO industrial tools. It can weld using the duty cycle of 60% at 250 amperes, 80% at 216.5 amperes, and 100% at 194 amperes or below. It is lightweight, only 5 kilograms. It's a plus because it can be transported with ease, and in the meantime, it can do the job of a 50 kilograms tool. It has a powerful fan for cooling the electronic components and a powerful on-off switch of 4,000 amperes. Also, the power supply cable is pretty thick. The wires inside it have a thickness of 3.30 millimeters. The welding cables have a thickness of 32 millimeters squared, and the welding pincers and the ground clamp are made of good quality materials. In here, it is the power lead check lamp and the overheat lead check lamp. I will test it with 3 different welding rods, 2.5 millimeters, 3.2 millimeters, and 5 millimeters. It has the hot start and anti-stick technology. And thanks to the IGBT transistors, the welding process goes smooth with less noise and less sparks. As you can see, the welding result is quite impressive.